When I repair lenses, I spend a lot of time measuring and documenting the different sizes of their parts. That's why I decided to try the Igaging Digital Caliper and Micrometer Set with wireless data connector that I got from Pen Tool Company. For years, Igaging has been creating high-quality measurement tools for some of the biggest names in industrial, automotive, and woodworking markets, and now they're concentrating on bringing that quality directly to you at a big savings. Let's see an example using digital calipers. You attach the transmitter to the tool, connect the data receiver to your computer or tablet using a USB port, open a compatible program to store the data, then simply measure, press the send button, and your measurement data transfer to the computer. Clean, simple, and efficient. Make sure you check out these Igaging products at Pen Tool Company.